So I picked up this dresser for a client. She wants me to paint it blue. It's a pretty good, solid piece of furniture. So I start off by taking all the doors and the drawers off. And next I'll add the stripper to it. So I like to get the stripper on there nice and good. And then I wrap it with some plastic. So I let the stripper sit on for about 15 minutes. And then in the meantime, I'm going to start sanding the doors and the drawers and the sides and all that. I use this little handheld sander we got from Home Depot to kind of get into all those cracks and crevices. And then this will be a good time for me to go ahead and put some wood filler. Continue sanding those smaller tight areas. Now it's time to take off the plastic and see how well the stripper did. As you can see, it didn't do too well. So I'm gonna add a little bit more on it. Get it on there nice and good. And it should take me over the top. So I was able to get most of it off and get it sanded down. Now I want to get this sanded, the top sanded most. I want to get most of the varnish off as possible. Next you see me here priming everything. Not going to prime the top, just going to prime the sides and the doors. And I use my sprayer for the primer. I did about 3 coats of priming. I want to make sure it really holds. And here I'm just priming all of the drawers. And now it's time for me to paint. Now here you see me putting on the handles. So I'm closing up the old holes for the old handles, and I'm making new holes. And you'll see the handles. They're a little bit wider than the original ones. So here you see all of the doors painted, just having it dry. And I go back and check it. I close my garage door because it gets real dusty in there. And so I keep it closed and I just kind of make sure it's dust free. Then I go back and check it every now and then. Next, I'll be getting ready to do the paint wash application. And here you see me painting it. I only use a brush, a sponge brush. And as I paint, I have this tack cloth and I'm just wiping it. So this first shot is the paint wash. And I really liked it because this is the way I did the previous one. But I showed the client a picture before she wanted it pure white. So I went back and painted it pure white. Let me know what you guys think. The paint wash versus the white paint. So tell me what you guys think. So I looks at first. Check out those handles. Those handles are pretty. So tell me what you think. And if you like this one, go back and check out the $44 flip that I did on my last video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.